Ireland faces another 5 days of rainfall amid mounting concerns at the implications the wet weather will have on farming operations, on wildlife, and even on environmental services. Met Éireann has indicated that a large Atlantic front located to the south of Ireland will have a decisive impact on Irish weather over the coming weeks. Temperatures will remain slightly warmer than normal for the time of the year, and the mild conditions will also be accompanied by significant levels of rainfall. The continued rainfall comes after one of the wettest Januaries on record. Some parts of Ireland over February have received over 400% their normal levels of rainfall. One weather station in Wexford at Johnstown Castle has recorded its highest level of tri-monthly rainfall for 85 years. The concern is that river systems, which are under incredible pressure, have not been given sufficient dry spells to begin to clear the water runoff from mountains. In environmental services, it has impacted significantly on the basis that farmers have not been able to access waterlogged fields, both for ploughing and for spreading slurry. As a catch-22, slurry tanks are under incredible pressure because of the continued rainfall, with most tanks now close to capacity. Long-range forecaster AccuWeather has indicated that up to the middle of March, Ireland faces at least another 14 days of rainfall. Met Éireann will announce rainfall levels for February at the end of the month. However, they are currently estimated to be very close to record levels.